Also tonight, the Mount Laurel man caught on camera hurling racial slurs at a neighbor will stay behind bars for now. That is the word coming from a judge today.
The judge also said Edward Matthews is a threat to the community. Kelly Rule is live in Mount Laurel. And Kelly, we've been following this closely for a week or two now. This hearing today brought out a lot of new information.
Shana, it did. We heard a lot about his lengthy criminal history dating back to 1995 and more about a dozen police reports that were filed from this neighborhood over the past year. It was enough for a judge to say that he's a threat to the community and to order him to remain in custody until his trial.
It brought me to tears because I'm happy in one sense.
Aaliyah Robinson and her daughter Jasmine Szynski feeling a sense of safety after Judge Terrence Cook ruled that 45-year-old Edward Cagney Matthews, the man hurling racial slurs during a rant in a viral video, will stay behind bars.
I do view that he is a high risk of danger to the community based on his continuing course of conduct.
Matthews stood silent, appearing from jail during Wednesday's detention hearing, his first since he was arrested on charges related to the viral video and following a search of his home, where investigators say they found drugs, a slingshot, and multiple ball bearings. Assistant prosecutor Jamie Hutchinson pointed to that evidence Wednesday. She also unpacked his criminal record of 20 prior convictions dating back to 1995 and detailed nearly a dozen police reports over the past year, alleging Matthews terrorized neighbors of color and homeowners Association board members.
He was shooting up cars this entire time. He was throwing rocks at cars. He was smearing feces on cars. The ball bearing ammunition confirms this, and it's not a leap to assume that this would only escalate his behavior if he was in fact released, and that ammunition could be aimed at a person next time.
Hutchinson says over the past year, Mount Laurel police got the FBI involved, and they confirmed Matthews' handwriting on at least one threatening letter sent to neighbors. They expect more charges to come from that as they continue to investigate other previous incidents involving Matthews, including this video from Szynski.
I sell drugs. That's what I do. That's what I've always done around here. I stopped, went to prison 3 times. You're not going to get any help from the cops because they're my people. Do you understand?
She filed a complaint in municipal court in 2017 after she says she dealt with more than a year of harassment. But a judge said there wasn't enough probable cause to sustain the charges.
The worst part of it was I did what the system says to do, reported it.
I feel hopeful because now the county is involved.
Now, Matthews' attorney Anthony Rizzo did argue that extreme risk protection order that allowed police to search Matthews' home should not have been allowed because he was behind bars and at a public risk. He also said that his medical records and criminal records are too remote to be considered. Matthews does have 7 days to appeal the decision, and Shana, his next court date is August 25th.
We'll be following. Thank you, Kelly.